Welcome to the Buyer Details module. This is your central hub for managing your entire network of importers and customers. Creating buyer profiles here ensures that all your invoices and shipping documents are automatically populated with the correct consignee details. From the left menu, select Buyer Details. At the top, the dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your business reach, showing total buyers, active buyers, and the number of countries you currently export to. Let's add a new customer to the system. Click the Add New Buyer button on the right to open the registration form. Start by entering the essential contact details. Input the contact person's name and the registered company name. Add a valid email and phone number to ensure seamless communication for order updates. Next, select the country. You can also set a preferred currency, like Euro, so future quotes and invoices for this client default to their local currency automatically. Enter the postal code, then manually enter the city and state. Complete the profile by entering the full street address. For accurate invoicing, enter the company's VAT number or tax ID. Scroll down to the shipping details section. If the delivery address is the same, you can copy it over. Crucially, define the default port of discharge. This automates your bill of lading and logistics planning later. Ensure the active status toggle is turned on. You can also add internal notes regarding specific packaging or documentation requirements for this client. Once all details are in place, click Add Buyer. The system validates the data and instantly creates the profile. Your new buyer now appears in the buyer directory.